Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool electric leaf blower. This actually came with two separate batteries that are 21 volt, 6 amp hour batteries. So those are some big batteries, and I'm loving the fact that they do have the battery indicator on the back side that you can push, and it illuminates and shows you how much battery charge you have. So really liking the fact that it has that, and it does come with the charger for that, which is also great. This also came with an interesting design for the handle. It feels very ergonomic to me. It's kind of nice that it puts kind of centers the weight over the top of this. That way, whenever you're actually putting this on here, you know, it actually holds pretty nice, which I like. It does also come with these detachable pieces for the nozzle, which is great because it works great for storage, because you can store this all in a nice compact box. Get it out when you need it in the fall, like we're about to do here. Clicks on, locks into place. You can use it as a stub nose like this, or you can go ahead and lock on the full power and get the full 650 CFMs out of this. Now on the top here, you are going to have a power button. It's going to turn it on. You're going to have cycle through, you won't be able to hear me, but I'll cycle through several modes here, and you have a turbo button, which will give you a little extra boost there. So let me go ahead and put on this provided set of little ear protectors here, and we will kind of show you what this can do. Yeah, this really moves some air, and it does feel really comfortable. Even though, I mean, this is already lightweight, but I mean, being able to hold everything right like that, having the handle brought up over the top like that instead of having a handle to hold from behind, really makes this work pretty effortless and would work well to move debris in anyone's yard.